Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. You're done here, girl. MelicaSkylife in the building. Yo! Let me talk solo. What are them?
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Too much light. Hold on. Yeah, the light is still gonna be there. So guys, I am on the farm today. You know that I always talk about on the vlog, I want to cover the pig pen. Hurricane is coming July 3rd. No. The hurricane is coming. I have to secure my pig them. So I'm gonna show you what the pigs look like now. I sold out some that I had before and I got some new ones, but I still have the big Europe boar and two mother pigs. So happy, so proud of that. So I'm gonna show you guys that in the next clip coming up. So what I do right now, I'm still gonna go and chill. You know, I can't move up and down too much. I drink a bag juice. And the man I put on the top on the pen. When I'm done, I look for the chicken them so I can show you guys that as well. If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely leave a comment in the comment section box below. My hand is on my face. Hi. Just an update, guys. So I did change my doctor. I don't know if I told you guys before. I changed my doctor because the doctor that was going before was, I don't think she would deal with me good. And then since she had told me, I'm going to take COVID vaccine. And then she had told me, oh, if you can't find an immunization card, I'll have to give you a shot closer to your pregnancy. Like, what? I don't think you should tell me that. I think you should tell me, go and look for your immunization card, try to find it, and you have to find it. You can't just get up and give me one shot. So, suppose me get a shot already. So I changed my doctor. The doctor that I'm going now is very, very good. He might do everything with me think. He might do way more things than the previous doctor used to do. Because sometimes I go, she'll say, for instance, we take some blood test. She would have say, maybe here I think why you wouldn't take the blood test here. Lady, we talked about this last time. You should have the notes there, you know. So me just said I get irritated with her, and that place is a very expensive place, private place and something. So I just change, go somewhere else. This doctor want me to know, he does the delivery and stuff for the baby. Yeah, so he might deal with my baby basically. So I'm more comfortable with him. And you know what I do basically. A few times I had to go to the doctor before my appointment because my belly is getting so big, and then you know some little issues with my belly, like me feel like my belly are pain me and stuff like that. But otherwise I'm good. I'm still working. I soon start working a few, but I just go and do my thing, you know. Go and prepare myself to push out the baby and bathing. So that's what I'm doing right now. I go and cool on myself. The time is hot. The hurricane is coming. Hurricane Elsa is coming. I'm gonna understand all the times are hot. Like she push the heat in front of her and bathing. So that I don't know. Come down. Sit back, baby. Sit back. So this is my Dura boar. Hi. Them a piggy our Romeo. The white one then. What kind of pig these? So these are regular mother pig. Pregnant. Get up. Let me see your belly. Which one? Come here, come and bite in ears. Go. And these are just a mixture of back up a little bit. My maternity. So guys, take off my blouse, me hot like a fire. Have on my maternity leggings thing. It's much more comfortable than regular jeans or whatever. You come way up on your belly top. Let me pull up mine up this one. Because shout out to my friend that bought me these. It's an extra large, so it comes all the way up. Gonna look at the chickens now and bake things. These are the little chicks. Watch out, I never see them when I run. I said, that's when I said they look short. 300. Chicken for sale. 250 a pound. Big man, him about 6 pounds. These are some other chicks. I saw them around me. I saw them. Avocado. I saw come, I did know I'm pregnant, you know. I did one. I saw come, I did know I'm pregnant, so I'm gone. So I did some one pear to eat. I don't like pear like that. Want him bad. Avocado. Orange. Orange. Oh, I'm so hot. I need a jelly. I was saying I knew I was pregnant because I was craving pear, and I don't normally eat pear like that. But I did want it at the time. Hot bad man. Finally, I have a pregnancy glow. Finally. Oh gosh. I have my machete. So guys, in the first part of my pregnancy, like I just had a hard time adjusting to like the hormone change, and my skin was breaking out all the time. I normally still get grumpy when I'm ready, but I just did look scruffish, you know. And I think I'm cleaning up very well, you know. So wrap up now, basically, to go home. So we just here get news to the hurricane shift, so we have to prepare the pig pen and prepare the chicken them to make sure that if hurricane come, you know they don't dead off, basically, because I have 2 mother pigs, and if they go into labor while the hurricane is here, it would be a good thing if they're not covered properly, or if they don't have enough warmth and stuff like that. Same thing for the chicken. We just have some young chicken, so we have to make sure so they're warm, they have the light. We got lanterns and curtain on today just in case that light went, and preparing for them just to make sure that they're okay, so we don't lose out on our stock. So I just got word that the hurricane shift more to Dominican Republic and Haiti. I don't know why I'm to Haiti, God no, but it shift over there. But also the good news is that the storm has weakened. So hopefully by tomorrow it weakens even more. So neither Haiti or Jamaica will feel the full brunt of the hurricane. But personally, I believe Jamaica is not ready for any form of extended rainfall. More so, definitely not a hurricane or a tropical storm, because the drainage system, they're blocked, and the Jamaican government say that they're prepared, but I say they don't want to work still upon certain spots, but overall, because the work has not been done constantly, they can't do enough in like a few days, you know. So any farmer, every rain at all, Jamaicans have to prepare themselves and prepare themselves properly. You know, the lines, the JPS lines, there are a lot of trees hanging over the line, so you know that if push come to shove, like a breeze come, wind blow down tree, current gone. I mean, no one current gone right now. I can't manage the heat. But if I book in one hotel if current gone, one is generator. Yeah, you have a key. The key, you have a key. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, that's all one little reason. I don't know if I'll come back a bush anytime soon because my belly is getting so huge. Can't manage a bush life, but I like to come see what's happening and stuff like that. Yeah.